In today's rapidly changing financial landscape, being equipped with essential knowledge about personal finance is more important than ever. That's where financial literacy education resources come into play. Whether you're a student looking to build a solid foundation of financial skills or an adult wanting to enhance your money management capabilities, exploring these resources can help you achieve financial success. With a wealth of financial literacy education options available, it can sometimes be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why this video aims to provide you with valuable insights into the diverse range of resources available to boost your financial literacy. From online courses and interactive games to informative blogs and podcasts, we'll explore the most effective tools and platforms that can help increase your financial knowledge. By improving your financial literacy, you can make informed decisions, navigate complex financial situations, and achieve your long-term goals. So, get ready to embark on a journey of financial empowerment as we delve into the world of financial education resources. The importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy is the foundation of financial well-being. It is the knowledge and understanding of various financial concepts and tools that allow individuals to make informed decisions about their money. Without basic financial literacy skills, individuals may fall victim to common financial mistakes and struggle to achieve their financial goals. Understanding concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management is crucial in today's society. It enables individuals to effectively manage their money, make wise financial choices, and build a strong financial future. Financial literacy also plays a significant role in avoiding financial pitfalls such as excessive debt, poor credit, and inadequate retirement savings. Understanding the basics of personal finance. To build a solid foundation of financial literacy, it is essential to understand the basics of personal finance. This includes concepts such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how you will spend and save your money. It involves tracking your income and expenses, setting financial goals, and making informed decisions about where to allocate your funds. A well-planned budget can help you prioritize your spending, reduce unnecessary expenses, and save for the future. Saving is the act of setting aside a portion of your income for future use. It is an important habit that can provide financial security and help you achieve your goals. Whether it's saving for emergencies, a down payment on a house, or retirement, saving allows you to build a financial safety net and work towards your long-term aspirations. Investing involves putting your money to work in order to generate returns over time. It can include investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets. Investing is a powerful tool for growing wealth and achieving financial independence. However, it also carries risks, so it's important to understand the fundamentals and consult with professionals before making investment decisions. Debt management is the process of effectively managing and paying off debt. It involves understanding different types of debt, such as credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages, and developing a plan to pay off debt strategically. By managing debt wisely, individuals can avoid excessive interest payments, maintain good credit scores, and improve their overall financial health. Common financial mistakes to avoid. Without proper financial literacy, individuals may fall prey to common financial mistakes that can have long-lasting negative effects on their financial well-being. Here are some of the most common financial mistakes to avoid. Overspending. Living beyond your means and accumulating excessive debt can lead to financial stress and instability. It's important to live within your budget and avoid unnecessary expenses. Not saving for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can arise at any time, and without an emergency fund, individuals may be forced to rely on credit or go into debt to cover these costs. Building an emergency fund is essential for financial security. Ignoring retirement savings. Many individuals neglect to save for retirement until it's too late. Starting early and contributing regularly to retirement accounts can help ensure a comfortable retirement. Not understanding credit. Poor credit can limit access to loans, credit cards, and other financial opportunities. It's crucial to understand how credit works and maintain a good credit score. Falling for scams. Lack of financial literacy can make individuals vulnerable to scams and fraud. Being aware of common scams and practicing caution can protect your financial well-being. By being aware of these common financial mistakes and improving your financial literacy, you can avoid these pitfalls and make sound financial decisions. Financial literacy statistics. Financial literacy is a global issue affecting individuals of all ages and backgrounds. Here are some eye-opening statistics that highlight the importance of improving financial literacy. According to a study by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, OECD, only 15% of 15-year-olds worldwide have basic financial literacy skills. In the United States, a survey conducted by the National Endowment for Financial Education, NEFE, found that only 24% of millennials demonstrated basic financial literacy skills. The National Financial Educators Council, NFEC, reported that over 50% of Americans struggle with basic financial literacy, leading to poor financial decision-making and increased debt. A study by the Global Financial Literacy Excellence Center, GFLEC, revealed that individuals with higher levels of financial literacy are more likely to plan for retirement, have emergency savings, and make informed investment decisions. These statistics underscore the need for increased financial education and the importance of exploring resources to boost financial literacy. Exploring financial education resources. To enhance your financial literacy, there are various resources available that cater to different learning styles and preferences. Let's explore some of the most effective tools and platforms that can help increase your financial knowledge. Online courses for financial literacy. Online courses provide a structured and comprehensive learning experience for individuals looking to improve their financial literacy. These courses cover a wide range of topics, from basic personal finance to advanced investment strategies. Some popular online platforms that offer financial literacy courses include Coursera. Coursera offers courses from top universities and institutions around the world. Their financial literacy courses cover topics such as budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform that hosts a wide range of financial literacy courses taught by industry experts. Courses are self-paced, allowing learners to study at their own convenience. edX. edX offers courses in partnership with renowned universities and institutions. Their financial literacy courses cover topics such as financial planning, money management, and understanding credit. Online courses provide flexibility and accessibility, making them a popular choice for individuals seeking to enhance their financial literacy. Books and publications on personal finance. Books and publications are timeless resources for gaining financial knowledge. Whether you prefer traditional print books or e-books, there is a wealth of personal finance literature available. Here are some highly recommended books on personal finance. The Total Money Makeover, by Dave Ramsey. This book provides a step-by-step guide to financial fitness, offering practical advice on budgeting, saving, and getting out of debt. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. In this book, Kiyosaki shares his personal experiences and insights on financial literacy and wealth creation. I Will Teach You to Be Rich, by Ramit Sethi. Sethi's book offers a 6-week personal finance program that covers everything from budgeting and saving to investing and entrepreneurship. In addition to books, there are numerous personal finance blogs and publications that provide valuable insights and advice on managing money. Some popular personal finance blogs include The Penny Hoarder, The Simple Dollar, and Get Rich Slowly. Financial literacy programs and workshops. Financial literacy programs and workshops are interactive and engaging learning opportunities that provide practical knowledge and skills. These programs are often conducted by financial institutions, nonprofit organizations, or government agencies. They can cover a wide range of topics, including budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Many financial literacy programs are specifically designed for different age groups, such as students, young adults, or seniors. They may include hands-on activities, group discussions, and real-life case studies to enhance learning and application of financial concepts. Check with local community centers, libraries, or financial institutions to find out about upcoming financial literacy programs and workshops in your area. Financial literacy apps and tools. In the digital age, there are numerous mobile apps and online tools available that can help improve financial literacy. These apps and tools provide convenience and accessibility, allowing individuals to track their expenses, set financial goals, and learn about personal finance on the go. Here are some popular financial literacy apps and tools. Mint. Mint is a comprehensive personal finance app that allows users to track their spending, create budgets, and set financial goals. It also provides personalized money-saving tips and recommendations. Acorns. Acorns is an investment app that automatically rounds up your purchases and invests the spare change. It is a great tool for individuals looking to start investing with small amounts of money. Khan Academy. Khan Academy offers a wide range of educational videos and resources on personal finance and economics. The platform provides interactive lessons and quizzes to enhance learning. Exploring these financial literacy apps and tools can make learning about personal finance more interactive and engaging. Conclusion: taking steps towards financial empowerment. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey that requires continuous learning and application. By exploring the diverse range of financial education resources available, you can boost your financial literacy and make informed decisions about your money. Start by understanding the basics of personal finance, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. Avoid common financial mistakes by living within your means, saving for emergencies, and planning for retirement. Take advantage of online courses, books, and publications to enhance your financial knowledge. Participate in financial literacy programs and workshops to gain practical skills and insights. And leverage financial literacy apps and tools to track your progress and stay engaged with your personal finance journey. Remember, financial literacy empowers you to take control of your financial future, make wise decisions, and achieve your long-term goals. Start today by exploring the education resources mentioned in this video and embark on a journey towards financial empowerment.